Hey guys, it's me, Logan Vlogs. So I got a package today. I had to scribble out my name and address, but yeah, I got a package today. It's from Amazon. You probably know what it is once I open it. Well, let me get my knife. So we got a knife, the Milwaukee background. Right. Here we go. So it's just a black box. Alright, yeah. So let's just open it. So here's the actual knife. I think this thing is really cool. I honestly have no idea how this thing works. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so it's a comb. It's the standard comb. I think it's pretty cool. If you put the lock down, you can't open. Yeah, just gotta loosen it a little bit. It's like yeah, so it's pretty nice. It's a Stiletto style switchblade, which is my dream knife. I don't have one yet. Of course it doesn't open like super fast like a switchblade, and it's not OTF, it's just a side opening switchblade. But yeah, I think it's really cool. The comb really isn't the greatest. It seems like it's more or less pulling out my hair rather than actually combing it, so yeah, the comb isn't the best, but it's still a nice thing to just pull out like as self-defense, like get away from me if someone comes up to you. You don't necessarily have to open it. Just say like, I will open this. Yeah. I'm wearing eyeshadow because it's Halloween. I'm not depressed. Is it actually 9 inches? I don't know. Yeah, so I have a black and white design. The clip is down right there. So you just press this little button right here. It'll open, and then you also have to click it to close it. And then this little notch right here is to lock it. I think it's really nice. And it's like it's fully decked out with the spring aspect, like I like it. Yeah, this was actually only $7. Which I think is a really good deal. I got it on Amazon Prime, so it came late. 3 days. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Stiletto. This is a Stiletto switchblade. Comb. Made in China.